Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone. Today, I'm super excited to talk about one of the most awaited budget 5G smartphones of 2025, the Samsung Galaxy A07 5G. Samsung has once again proven that it can dominate not only the flagship market but also the mid and budget segments with stunning design, solid performance, and incredible value for money. So, let's dive right into what makes the Galaxy A07 5G a serious game changer this year. The first thing that catches your eye is the sleek and modern design. Samsung has given the A07 5G a premium finish that feels like something from the upper mid-range category. The smooth matte back, curved edges, and polished camera housing give it a sophisticated look. It comes in trendy color options like midnight blue, silver frost, and emerald green, all of which look absolutely beautiful under light. Despite being a budget device, it feels sturdy and stylish in the hand. Now, let's talk about the display, which is one of the strongest points of this phone. The Galaxy A07 5G features a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The colors are vivid, the blacks are deep, and the overall viewing experience is excellent, whether you're watching YouTube videos, playing games, or scrolling through social media. The brightness is great even under direct sunlight, which makes it perfect for outdoor use. Under the hood, Samsung has equipped this device with the Exynos 1335G chipset, built on a 6nm process. It delivers smooth and efficient performance for daily tasks, gaming, and multitasking. The phone handles heavy games like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty without major frame drops, especially in medium to high graphics settings. With 6GB or 8GB of RAM options and up to 256GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD card, this phone is built for users who love to store lots of media and apps. The camera setup is another highlight of the Galaxy A07 5G. It comes with a 50MP main sensor, a 5MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP depth sensor, giving you flexibility for different types of shots. The photos are crisp, detailed, and rich in color, especially in daylight. The ultra-wide shots are impressive for capturing landscapes and group photos. Even in low light, the night mode does a great job balancing highlights and shadows. On the front, there's a 13MP selfie camera that captures clear and natural selfies, perfect for video calls and social media. Battery life is something Samsung has mastered, and the Galaxy A07 5G is no exception. It packs a massive 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts a full day of heavy use, including gaming, video streaming, and browsing. The 25W fast charging support ensures that you can power up quickly and get back to what matters. On the software side, it runs on Android 15 with One UI 7, offering a smooth, clean, and customizable experience. Samsung has also promised 4 years of security updates and 2 major Android upgrades, which adds huge value in the long run. The phone also supports dual 5G SIMs, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for quick unlocking. The sound quality from the stereo speakers is clear and balanced, making it great for watching movies and listening to music without headphones. Now, the most attractive part, the price. The Samsung Galaxy A07 5G is expected to start around $229 to $249, depending on the region and configuration. At this price point, it directly competes with models like the Redmi Note 13 5G and Realme 11X, but Samsung's trusted build quality and longer software support make it stand out from the crowd. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A07 5G 2025 is a fantastic smartphone for anyone looking for a stylish, powerful, and reliable 5G experience without breaking the bank. It brings premium design, smooth display, solid performance, and dependable battery life together in one affordable package. Whether you're a gamer, student, or just someone who loves a good smartphone deal, this phone won't disappoint. So that's my full review of the Samsung Galaxy A07 5G, a perfect balance between performance and price. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Smartphone for more exciting tech reviews and updates. See you in the next video.